in a database, you are just in a database, you're not in specific table, because there is difference. You want to import in a table or you want to import a table. Two different things. Is that right? Is the difference clear? You want to import in a table, that means the table already exists. You are saying the data needs to go in a table. Then you have to be in that table, right? But if you are trying to import a table, then you have to be outside. That means you have to be in your database here, and I'm going to click on import. Is that it? Now when you're going to import, you're going to choose a file. Now file can be Excel or a CSV file, a comma separated file. CSV file stands for comma separated file, which means it's a text file which should have space or a semicolon or a hash or any character to separate first field with the second field. Is that right? So I already have these files and I've already put them on the Edmodo for you guys. Otherwise they're on the K drive, but I've put it on the Edmodo for just easier way. I'm going to pick up one of these files and it looks like this. Is that okay? I'm just picking up this file and it looks like this. Is that okay? Just going to click on open. Now what is important, leave everything else is fine. This is okay as well. Nothing to be changed. What needs to be, you have to make sure is you tick this. It says the first line of the file contains the label or the column names. Now you are asking computer to create a table, right? But what are the field names and what are the field types? What are the field sizes? Now I am not giving the computer that information, but I want it to make a judgment, and it will make that judgment from the first line of that file. Usually the first line will be the column names, right? And computer will make the second judgment based on the data inside, and it will take the size as the maximum size. You know, like if you have characters, so whatever is the last maximum size in that information, it will automatically assign that last data as a, you can go back and change that, but that's what it's going to do. If you don't tick this, then what will happen is you're going to lose data in the first place and your table structure will not be created. You will have your column names as column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, and everything obviously will be text because your field names are text. Does that make sense? Because the first line has been taken as data. So if I do this, I click on go, it'll give you a confirmation message, and if I go to here, now can you see this? Table 2. Now obviously it is given the name automatically as table 2. So I can click on it and that's the data. So order number, region, representative, item, units and unit cost. Is that okay? Now if you look at the structure of this table, it's automatically taken it integer, variable character, integer and decimal. It's judged that on the basis of data basically. Is that okay? So if you do that, then I will tell you what's the next step. Is that okay? Should I copy these files on the K drive for your class? I can't, because I don't want you to copy them from the Edmodo. So your class, if you go to K drive, web design and development, and if you go to web level 2, you should see a folder called as 1730. I'm sorry, I'm just going to call you with 1730, not 36. I actually can do this. I can combine that. So 736. So if you go in this folder, which is 1730 underscore 1736, you will see all the CSV files. K drive, web design and development, go to 730736. Yeah. So you can import any one of those files, but you need to be in your PHP My Admin to import. If you're in browse, can you tell me how many records do I have in my table? When I go on browse, is there a way to tell me from the screen how many records are there in the table? 13. How many records are in the table? Look at the screen nicely and tell me, does it tell me how many records are there? How many records? How many records?
25.
Oh, 25.
43. What is it saying? Showing rows 0 to 24.
But
43 total. So
Yeah.
the number of records in this table is 43.
Yeah.
Currently you are looking at the screen, there are 25. Is that correct? Now why? Because can you see here? It says number of rows 25. I can change that to whatever I like. Is that okay?
Yeah.
But you should be able to tell me how many records are there. Now it is showing you the first page. You can always say second page, or you can click on this one to go to the next set of records. Is that okay? But this now, first of all, what I want to do is I'm in this table 2 and I don't like this name table 2, right?
Okay.
For two reasons. One, that it's a generic name, and it has a space in its name. Right? So what I'm going to do is, if you can look here, there's something called as more, and there's something called as operations in that. So if you go in operations, it will give you the options to copy, rename table to, move a table to a different database, or if you want to make a copy. They are all different sections what you can do. Is that right? Modify table, move table, table renaming, or copy. Is that okay? What I need to do is rename table, and I want to call it orders. And I will press only this go, not any other go, the go written in that panel. So just click on go and your table name will change. Is that okay? Go to table, go to more and operations. If you have, you should be in the table. You have to be in the table. And where did you type it?
Scroll, but it's not accept first.
Okay, now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that okay?